Hello student, welcome to the next lecture, paper number 106, complex analysis. Myself Hardik Pandya. Now we see in this lecture uh, integration of the complex number, complex integration. We start with the example. Prove that integration over closed curve C dz upon z minus a is equal to 2 pi I, where C is the circle mod z minus a is equal to r. Means in this diagram, this is circle center at a and radius r and angle theta. So here mod z minus a is equal to r, and the parametric equation of the circle is the parametric equation of the circle mod z minus a is equal to r is mod z minus a is equal to r e raised to I theta. This is parametric equation of circle. This is parametric metric equation of circle. Center at A and radius r, angle theta. Now differentiating z minus a is equal to r e raised to I theta. So derivative of z dz, a is constant, so derivative 0 is equal to r is radius, so r is constant, derivative of e raised to I theta, derivative of e raised to I theta is equal to e raised to I theta, and derivative of I theta is equal to I into d theta. For circle C, theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Now in the integration, I is equal to integration over closed curve C dz upon z minus a. Put the value of dz I into r into e raised to I theta into d theta, and they put the value of z minus a is equal to r into e raised to I theta. So r cancel out, e raised to I theta cancel out. So remaining I is constant, integration 0 to 2 pi into d theta. So integration I is equal to I into 1 into d theta. So integration of 1 is equal to theta. So 0 to 2 pi limit. So this is equal to I into 2 pi minus 0. So integration we get I is equal to 2 pi I. Now the next example, evaluate the closed interval over C z minus a raised to n dz is equal to dz, where n is not equal to minus 1. Integration over closed curve C z minus a raised to n dz, where n is not equal to minus 1, where over circle z mod z minus a is equal to r. So here this is circle center at a, radius r, and angle theta. So mod z minus a is equal to r, and the parametric equation of circle mod z minus a is equal to r is z minus a is equal to r into e raised to I theta. Now we find the derivative of this. Dz is equal to I into r into e raised to I theta into d theta. So here integration I is equal to integration over closed curve c z minus a raised to n dz. Now put the value of z minus a. Z minus a is equal to r into e raised to I theta, and theta varies from 0 to 2 pi, and dz is equal to I into r into e raised to I theta into d theta, and theta is varies from 0 to 2 pi. So here I is constant, r is constant. So r raised to n into r is equal to r raised to n plus 1. Integration 0 to 2 pi e raised to I n theta into e raised to I theta into d theta. So I into r raised to n plus 1 integration 0 to 2 pi e raised to I n theta plus I theta. So I theta common लिए तो 1 plus n I theta into 1 plus n d theta. Now integration of e raised to I into theta into n plus 1 is equal to e raised to integration of e raised to theta is equal to e raised to theta upon 1. So here n theta or e raised to n theta હોય તો એનું integration થાય e raised to n theta upon n. તો અહીંયા આપણે integration મળશે e raised to I theta into n plus 1 upon I into n plus 1 limit 0 to 2 pi. Now put the limit. So theta is equal to 2 pi, and here e raised to 0 this is 1. So I into n plus 1 common out, e raised to I into 2 into n plus 1 pi minus 1. e raised to I theta હોય તો એને લખી શકાય cos theta plus iota sin theta. So this is theta લઈએ તો આપણે cos 2 into n plus 1 pi plus iota sin 2 into n plus 1 pi minus 1. So this is 2 into some integers into pi. So this is equal to 1, and sin pi is equal to 0. So 1 plus 0 minus 1. So this is equal to 0. So integration I is equal to 0. Now the next example on integration of analytic function. Integral of an analytic function, and here the path is independent. આપણે પ્રૂવ થશે કે કોઈ પણ પાથ લઈએ તો એનું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન આપણે સરખું મળે. જોઈએ એક્ઝામ્પલ ઇવેલ્યુએટ integration over curve c z square dz, where c is path joining point 1 plus iota plus 2 plus 4 iota. First, along parabola y is equal to x square, and second, along the straight line joining the points 1 plus iota and 2 plus 4 iota. Now I is equal to integration c z square dz. Now put the value of z is equal to x plus iota y, z is equal to x plus iota y. So dz is equal to dx plus iota dy. So put the value of this. Now x plus iota y square is equal to x square plus 2x y into iota plus iota square y square. Iota square is equal to minus 1. So minus y square. So x square minus y square plus 2 iota xy into dx plus iota dy. Now multiplying both and we get x square minus y square into dx x square minus y square into dx minus 2xy dy because 2ixy into I dy. So I into I square is equal to minus 1. So minus 2xy into dy. And 2ixy into dx is equal to 2xy into dx plus sign iota common and iota dy into x square minus y square. So x square minus y square into dy. So we get real and imaginary part. Now in the A, the path given along the parabola y is equal to x square. So in the integration, I in the equation number 1 આપી દઈએ આપણે equation 1 માં આપણે y ની વેલ્યુ x square પુટ કરીએ તો આપણે મળે y ની વેલ્યુ x square પુટ કરીએ તો dy બરાબર શું મળે આપણે derivative of y is equal to 2x into dx. So x y square is equal to x raised to 4, x is equal to y is equal to x square into 2x dx, dy is equal to 2x dx. So minus 4x raised to 4 dx plus iota integration 1 to 2 because where c is 1 plus iota to 2 plus 4 iota. So 1 plus iota to 2 plus 4 iota. So here integration in x dx. So limit of x 1 to 2. So limit integration 1 to 2 x square minus x raised to 4 dx minus 4x raised to 4 dx plus iota integration 1 to 2 x square minus x raised to 4 dy is equal to put the value of dy is equal to 2x dx plus 2xy y ની value x square. So we get minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 x raised to 4 dx plus iota integration 1 to 2 x square minus x raised to 4 into 2x dx plus 2 x square dx. So This is 2x cube minus 2x raised to 5, and this is 2x cube. So now integration, we get 2x cube plus 2x cube is equal to 4x cube. 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5. So integration of x square is equal to x cube by 3 minus 5 into x raised to 4. So x raised to 5 upon 5. So 5 cancel. So x raised to 5 and 4 into x cube no integration x raised to 4 upon 4. So 4 cancel out, minus 2 into x raised to 6 upon 6. So 2 upon 6. So this is 3. So x raised to 4 minus x raised to 6 upon 3. Now put the limit, we get 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8 by 3 minus 2 raised to 5 32 minus lower limit 1 by 3 minus minus plus 1 plus iota 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16 minus 2 raised to 6 64 upon 3 minus 1 minus minus plus 1 by 3. So uh, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 by 3 minus 32 plus 1 minus 31 plus iota 16 minus 1 15 minus 64 plus 1. So minus 63 upon 3 is equal to minus 21. Now the real part we get minus 86 upon 3 and imaginary part minus 6i. Now in the another path along the straight line joining the point 1 plus iota and 2 plus 4 iota. So I is equal to integration over close curve C, integration over curve C x square minus y square dx minus 2xy dy plus iota integration C x square minus y square dy plus 2xy dx. The equation of straight line joining the points 1, 1 and 2, 4. So y is equal to uh, formula of straight line x, y, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 2, 4, 1 is equal to 0. So we get solving this, we get the straight line equation y is equal to 3x minus 2 and derivative of y is equal to dy. So 3 into dx and derivative of minus 2 is equal to 0. Now to put the value of y, in this equation, and value of dy is equal to 3x in this equation, we get I is equal to integration 1 to 2 x square minus 3x minus 2 square into dx minus 2x into 3x minus 2 into 3 dx plus iota x square minus 3x minus 2 whole square into 3 dx plus 2x into 3x minus 2 into dx. Now simplifying this, multiplying and simplifying this, we get minus 26x square plus 24x minus 4 into dx plus iota minus 18x square plus 32x minus 12 dx. Now integration with respect to x, we get minus 26x cube by 3 plus 12x square minus 4x plus iota limit 1 to 2 plus iota minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 12x limit 1 to 2. Now put the limit and simplifying this we get minus 86 upon 3 plus iota minus 6. This is the uh, integration of integration of the integration along the straight line showing the point 1 plus iota and 2 plus 4 iota. This is simply integration of the complex number complex. Now evaluate integration of the curve integration over curve mod z square dz around the square with vertices 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So I is equal to integration over curve mod z square dz is equal to integration over curve x square plus y square into dx plus iota dy. Here the point A 0, 0, B 1, 0, C 1, 1 and D 0, 1. So integration I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4. For I1 the path is A to B means 0, 0 to 1, 0 and curve C1. Integration over C1. In I2 integration over C2. In I3 integration over C3 and in I4 integration over C4. Along the curve C1 A to B means 0, 0 to 1, 0. So y is equal to 0 and dy is equal to 0. So x varies from 0 to 1. X varies from 0 to 1. So limit is 0 to 1. Put the value of y is equal to 0. So y square is equal to 0. Dy is equal to 0. So integration I1 is equal to x varies from 0 to 1. X square into dx is equal to x cube upon 3 0 to 1. Put the limit x is equal to 1. So 1 cube is equal to 1 by 3. Now along the curve C2 B to C. So x is equal to 1. In this figure x is equal to 1. Y varies from 0 to 1. So x is equal to 1. So derivative of x is equal to 0 and the limit 0 to 1. So 1 plus y square into iota dy. So multiplying this iota is equal to integration 0 to 1 iota into dy plus iota into y square into dy. So derivative of 1 is equal to, with respect to y plus y cube by 3, limit 0 to 1, applying limit we get 4 by 3 into iota. Now along the curve C3, y is equal to 1, dy is equal to 0, and x varies from 1 to 0. So limit 1 to 0, 1 plus x square dx. So the integration of 1 is equal to x plus x cube by 3, limit 1 to 0. So this is equal to minus 4 by 3. Now along the curve C4, x is equal to 0, dx is equal to 0, y varies from 1 to 0. So I4 is equal to integration 1 to 0 x square plus y square dx plus iota dy is equal to, x is equal to 0, so dx is equal to 0, y square into iota dy is equal to I into y cube by 3, limit 1 to 0, so I4 is equal to minus I upon 3. Now adding all the integration, 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3 into iota minus 4 by 3 minus I by 3 is equal to minus 1 plus iota. This is the integration. Now we see the most IMP theorem, Cauchy's integral theorem or Cauchy-Grosset theorem. Statement: if f of z is analytic function in a simple connected domain D and f dash of z is continuous of each point within, and so a simple closed curve C in D, then integration over curve C f of z dz is equal to 0. સિમ્પલી કહીએ તો આપણે કે f of z એનાલિટિક ઇન અ સિમ્પલ કનેક્ટેડ ડોમેનમાં એનાલિટિક હોવો જોઈએ અને ડેરિવેટિવ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ હોય ઇન અ સિમ્પલ કનેક્ટેડ ડોમેનમાં, ત્યારે ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન ઓવર curve C f of z dz is equal to 0. Now we see the proof of this theorem. Let f of z is equal to u plus iota v. U and v are function of x and y. So f of z is equal to u plus iota v. Z is equal to x plus iota v, and derivative of z dz is equal to dx plus iota dy. Integration over curve f of z dz is equal to integration over curve value of f of z is equal to u plus iota v, dz is equal to dx plus iota dy. Now multiplying both, we get integration over curve u dx minus v dy plus iota v dx plus u dy. So integration over curve f of z dz is equal to integration over curve u dx minus v dy plus iota integration over curve v dx plus u dy. This is equation number 1 આપી આપણે બંનેને integration આપી દીધું. Now C enclose a region R. This is region R. Since f of z is analytic within and on C, within and on C, and derivative f dash of z is continuous in region, the function u v partial derivative of u with respect to x, ux, uy, vx, vy are continuous at every point of R. Hence, the Gauss theorem in a plane can be applied. Integration over closed curve C f of z dz is equal to double integration over region minus del v by del x minus del u by del y into dx into dy plus iota in the double integration over region del u by del x minus del u by del y into dx into dy. This is equation number 2. Since f of z is analytic at every point of region, the Cauchy-Riemann equation are as del u by del x is equal to del v by del y and del v by del x is equal to minus del u by del y. Applying this in this equation 2, we get integration over closed curve C f of z dz is equal to 0. This is complete the proof of the Cauchy integral Cauchy integral theorem or Cauchy-Courset theorem. F of z is analytic function in a simple connected domain D and derivative is continuous of each point within, and so a simple closed curve C in D, then integration over curve f of z dz is equal to 0. Means f of z is analytic and derivative continuous in the simple connected domain C D, simple connected domain D, then f of integration or curve f of z dz is equal to 0. Proof ma f of z is equal to u plus iota v. Now integration of f of z over c dz is equal to integration over c. Put the value of f of z u plus iota v, value of dz is equal to dx plus iota v, and now multiplying this we get equation number 1, and let C enclose a region R since f of z is analytic within and on C and derivative is continuous in region, and the function u v and partial derivative of u v are continuous at every point of R. Hence, Green's theorem applied, and this is Green's theorem, equation number 2. F of z is analytic, so Cauchy-Riemann CR equation satisfied, and the using CR equation in equation number 2, we get integration over closed curve C f of z dz is equal to 0. Now, note integration over closed curve z minus z0 raised to n dz is equal to 2 pi I if n is equal to minus 1. N is equal to minus 1 if n is equal to minus 1 and z0 inside in C, જે આપણે પ્રૂવ કર્યું છે આગળ 1 upon z minus z0 dz in closed curve C is equal to 2 pi I. Starting માં first example આપણે પ્રૂવ કર્યો હતો, ત્યાં આપણે n is equal to minus 1 લીધું હતું. એના પછીના એક્ઝામ્પલમાં n not equal to minus 1 લીધા હતા, અને પ્રૂવ કરવું તો આપણે 0 z0 inside in C. And third case, if n is equal to -1 and z0 outside C, then this is 0. અહીંયા આપણે એન્ટી ક્લોકવાઇઝ ડાયરેક્શન લઈએ છીએ. તો એન્ટી ક્લોકવાઇઝ ડાયરેક્શનમાં ઇનસાઇડ હોય તો n is equal to -1 માટે z0 ઇનસાઇડ હોય તો 2 pi I n is not equal to -1 માં z0 ઇનસાઇડ હોય તો 0 and n is equal to -1 માં z0 આઉટસાઇડ હોય તો integration 0. Integration over close curve 1 upon z minus 2 dz is equal to 0. Here circle mod z is equal to 1. So this is center at 0, 0 and radius 1. So z0 is equal to 2. So 2 is outside the circle. So integration is equal to 0. Now solve the example. Evaluate integration I is equal to integration over closed curve dz upon z minus 2 around this circle mod z minus 2 is equal to 4. So mod z, first circle here given, mod z minus 2 is equal to 4, circle mod z minus 1 is equal to 5, triangle with vertices at 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, rectangle with vertices of 3 plus or minus 2i, minus 2 plus or minus I. So this is circle this is 0, 0, center at 2, 0, center 2, 0, this is 1, this is 2, so center is here, radius 2, 2, 0, 2, 0. -1, -2. This is circle, radius 2. This is 0, 0. This is minus 2. So minus 2 is outside of the circle. Outside of the circle. So integration is equal to 0. In the circle B, mod z minus 1, z is equal to z0 is equal to z z0 is equal to 2. So sorry z0 is equal to 2. So 2 is inside. Z0 is equal to Z0 is equal to 2 means કે Z minus 2 is equal to આપણે 0 મૂકીએ Z ની વેલ્યુ મળે 2. So Z0 is equal to 2. Z minus Z0. Z minus Z0 raised to minus 1 થાય. So n ની વેલ્યુ minus 1 હોય, n is equal to minus 1 હોય ત્યારે and Z0 inside હોય, n ની વેલ્યુ minus 1 હોય, Z0 inside હોય ત્યારે integration 2 pi I. So this is equal to n is Z0 is equal to 2 lies inside the circle and n is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. N is equal to minus 1. So integration over close cos C dz upon z minus 2 is equal to 2 pi iota. હવે આપણે સર્કલ લઈએ mod z minus 1 is equal to 5. Mod z minus 1 is equal to 5. So center at 1, 0 and radius root 5. Root 5 ની value of root 5 to square of 2 is equal to 4. So 2 point something આવશે, 2 point something. This is so 2 is here. Value of root 5 is equal to 2.23. So center at 1, 0. Here 2.0, 2, 0. So this is this circle C2, and Z0 is equal to 2. Z0 is equal to 2 is inside the circle, so n is equal to -1. Z0 inside the circle, so integration is equal to 2 pi iota. Triangle માટે 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is 0, 0, this is 1, 0, and this is 0, 1. 2 આવશે અહીંયા. This is outside, so outside માટે n is equal to -1 and z0 outside of the circle, so integration is equal to 0. Answer 0 આવશે. This is homework now. Thank you.